this is Bruce Allman with Apache Village RV. I'm at Jayco's 2026 Homecoming, and I'm standing outside the new Jayco J-Feather Air. Let's take a look here. This unit's only 2,600 pounds dry. Got a 3,500 pound gross vehicle weight rating. This is the 15 TBS. If you've been looking to get out with the family, get something small like this, a single axle that's easy to just hook up and go, what a great option. When you come to Apache Village, everybody you deal with has been in this industry a long time. We have 120 plus years of experience on our sales floor alone, just in the showroom. So if you have any questions, anything from hitching, systems, anything that may arise, we're here to take care of you. So if you have anything at all, please don't hesitate to call. I think this is going to be a really great addition to their lineup. Got the big dinette here. Another awesome, great floor plan from Jayco. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.